Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make natural pain / sleep medicine with 2 simple ingredients. Today I'm only going to use one of those ingredients, and that ingredient is wild lettuce. It's a natural pain relieving plant, and I'm going to show you today step by step how to make this. Let's begin. Okay, you want to make sure you rinse your lettuce off really good to get all the bugs, debris, dirt, or anything that could be on the plant itself. You want to make sure you get that rinsed off real nice and good. Next thing you want to do is you want to cut the wild lettuce up in really small pieces, real fine small pieces. You're going to continue to cut it up into pieces until you fill your pot up to its maximum length. Once you cut the lettuce up real fine, you're going to fill the pot up, or whatever you're going to put it in, with water, all the way just a little bit above the wild lettuce. Okay, once you fill the water up to the designated area, you're going to put your stove top on high. And once you put it on high, you're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to turn it down low and let it simmer until it gets to the consistency like you're making homemade greens. Finally, the wild lettuce has boiled down. But guess what? You're not done yet. As you can see, I have it in the cheesecloth. I'm going to drain the juice out into this smaller pot like this. Squeeze all the juice out. But you gotta be careful with this cheesecloth, because if you squeeze too hard, the lettuce is gonna squeeze through the cloth. So you gotta just kind of give it a little squeeze until you get all the juice out. Then you're gonna put it back on that heat. Put your stove top on high. Let it get to a boil again. And once it boils, you're gonna turn it down low and let it simmer down until it gets to the medicine form.